Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to try a brand new Jeep Wrangler 2024, so let's see how it drives in the desert. So we started our journey from Dubai Creek area, so it is around 40 minutes drive and almost 50 kilometers to that place. So that place is in desert, so we can test drive the true capabilities of the new Jeep. So let's see how it goes. Desno skreći, desno. Ovamo skreći, moraš djeti put tamo da skrećiš. Stani, bravo.
Many dreams, in my life. I dream a lot of things in my life. You dream, I dream. They dream, we dream. Cause we don't be satisfied for what we have. We have different dreams in our life. We dream of getting rich, being famous, being scholars and so we dream those ordinary dreams, forgetting that one day we'll leave this world. We will go with no dream, yeah. Sorrowful, yeah. My biggest dreams to see you, seeing you.
Do any sort of climbing or any to that point. If we don't keep the revs up, literally we're reversing back down the hill. It's a disaster.
Okay.
It's a very capable light engine, but honestly
It's V4.
it's a 4-cylinder. Yeah, it's great. We're on a motocross track today, so over this hump here it's quite rounded, but the other ones are not. They're quite peaky, so we'll just take it easy on that. We've also got 5 in the back, which is it's good fun. We're already in full drive part-time, and we've got traction control already off because I just came from a drive, but if you start it you have to reset that stuff. And that's when you're ready, we can enter the motocross track. You have much off-road experience?
No,
Good.
but like in the I drove in my country, it's like similar roads, not the same, but like these kind of bumpy roads. Yeah. And you can remind me then when to put more gas.
Yeah, all good. You're doing well.
I keep it light. I know it's kind of flat, so no need for much gas.
this one, we'll just take the low left one.
Yeah, that's good. Nee, це має тебе.
Nej.
Aha, nećemo ići uzbrdo, šta je bilo?
I think just with the number of people we've got in the car, we may skip the hill climb.
Yeah,
It could get a little wild.
Yeah, this one is tough, I have seen.
So we can take the orange.
It's quite capable, like even
Yep.
without too much RPMs it can pull.
Yeah, we can see something going up now.
Yeah, I have seen that, it's crazy. I mean, if I'm alone, I would definitely try it, but with the family, no way.
Yeah. Crazy. Yeah, take a ride.
Yeah, I have seen somebody was stuck here. I was recording it. It's almost turned over. It's
They just
because they don't
don't-
have experience.
Yeah,
Yeah, and they are
they-
stuck. Yeah.
They
Now
say
you
that
see, it's almost like turned.
not be good with a family in the car.
Yeah. Check is it in my data, like all these test drives that we do today. It's
Fully done. We would have done
Yeah.
it this morning in the
Yeah.
first hour.
amazing, amazing.
Cool, mate.
Cool, very nice car. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
No one is like you. I wish to see you. Seeing you be my flesh. 'Cause no one is like you. And I wish to face the prophet Muhammad and be with him in Jannah. I dream of freedom. I dream of peace of mind. I dream of love, supernatural love. And everything I have makes me long for more. And the more that I have, the more I long for more. So this makes me realize that this world will never satisfy my heart. No matter how much I obtain, so my dream for Jannah grows day by day. And I pray to Allah to guide me all the way till I make it to His.
So that will be all for today's video. As you saw, I took it light because of my family. It was full car, so I could not do real desert. But like you saw some other videos, that it is fully capable of the full desert drive, even with 2.0 engine. So it's quite good because like you are driving most of the time normal routes, and only maybe once a month you go to do off-roading and this kind of crazy stunts. So it makes sense maybe in today's life to have a 2.0 engine even in the Jeep. Will be all for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and until next one, Assalamu alaikum, may peace be upon you.
Only your deeds will do you good or bad. So now is the best time to work for your Jannah. Remember Allah, He will remember. My biggest dreams to